Behind every hospital ward, maternity wing and emergency room are nurses and midwives working long hours to save lives and care for patients. Zambia joined the rest of the world in commemorating International Nurses Day, a day observed annually in honor of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. The commemoration, held at the Mulungushi International Conference Center in Lusaka, served not only as a celebration of nurses and midwives, but also as a call to invest more in the profession. President Hakainde Hichilema has commended nurses across the country for their dedication and commitment to saving lives. In a message marking International Nurses Day, President Hichilema says nurses continue to play a vital role in building a healthier nation and strengthening communities. The president thanked nurses for their sacrifice, hard work, and service to the people of Zambia. President Hichilema said empowered nurses save lives, inspire hope, and contribute significantly to the country's healthcare system. The head of state further reaffirmed government's commitment to supporting the health sector and improving service delivery across the country. Speaking on behalf of Vice President MUTALE NALUMANGO, Health Minister ALEX KATAKWE assured nurses and midwives that government is committed to addressing the challenges affecting the profession. Dr. Katakwe acknowledged the critical role nurses play in strengthening the country's healthcare system and improving community well-being.
The government acknowledges the challenges you as nurses face, such as heavy workloads, limited resources, occupational risks, and emotional strain. And as such, government remains committed to addressing these concerns in a progressive and sustainable manner. The Minister of Health has been directed to prioritize resolving pending administrative matters, including promotions and salary placements. Provision of uniforms and protective clothing remains a key occupational safety priority.
Meanwhile, the Zambia Union of Nurses and Midwives organization, ZUNMO, says despite their dedication to duty, nurses and midwives continue to face various challenges that require urgent attention. The union has since called for increased empowerment and improved working conditions for healthcare workers.
While our role is central, our empowerment remains uneven and incomplete. Across the country, nurses and midwives continue to face workplace or workforce shortages, heavy workloads, delayed promotions and upgrades, salary scale inconsistencies, limited career progression opportunities, and inconsistent provision of uniform and protective clothing.
And Lusaka Province Permanent Secretary Joe Kalusa says government has so far employed more than 15,000 health workers in a bid to improve staffing levels in health facilities across the country.
If you remember so well, previous governments would recruit less than 1,000 medical personnel. But this government has shown it. It has employed more than 15,000 medical personnel because it cares. For the country to be productive, we need people to be in good health.
The event also saw a number of nurses and midwives being recognized and awarded for their dedication, professionalism, and outstanding service. This year's International Nurses Day is being commemorated under the theme, Our Nurses, Our Future. Empowered nurses save lives. Sharon Siame, ZNBC News, Lusaka.